Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Jelly Soap is probably one of the most exciting and innovative bath time products available for children today, transforming a mundane chore into a delightful sensory experience that kids will actually look forward to. Imagine a soap that jiggles, bounces, and smells amazing, all while effectively cleaning your little ones. This isn't just soap, it's a fun, interactive toy that encourages imaginative play and makes washing hands and bodies an adventure rather than a struggle, ensuring cleaner kids and happier parents with every bubbly, jiggly wash. Number 5. The Honest Company Shampoo and Body Wash. Discover a gentle way to cleanse your baby's delicate skin and hair. Our formula is designed to be mild and effective, leaving them feeling soft and clean. Enjoy bath time without the tears. This specially formulated wash rinses clean without irritating your child's eyes, making every bath a happy experience. Unwind with the soothing aroma of natural lavender. Its calming scent helps create a peaceful bedtime routine for your little one. We use naturally derived ingredients to nourish and protect your baby's skin. It's a clean you can trust for your family's well-being. This versatile wash is perfect for daily use, from head to tiny toes. It effectively cleanses while maintaining skin's natural moisture balance. Choose a brand that prioritizes your child's health and happiness. Experience the difference of honest, effective care for your baby. What we like. This option offers a gentle, tear-free wash with a calming lavender scent. If you're looking for a relaxing bath time experience for your little one, this is a great choice. It's perfect for winding down before bedtime. What people say. The jelly soap is fun and engaging for kids, making bath time more enjoyable. It has a unique jelly-like texture that kids love to play with. The soap lathers well and cleans effectively, leaving skin soft and moisturized. Number 4. Fresh Monster 2-in-1 Kids Shampoo and Body Wash, Ocean Splash. Introducing a 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash designed for kids. It provides a gentle yet effective clean, making bath time a breeze. Enjoy the refreshing Ocean Splash scent that kids love. It leaves their hair and skin smelling great after every wash. Our formula is made with natural, plant-based ingredients, free from harsh toxins. You can feel good about what you're using on your child's skin and hair. This shampoo and body wash is specially formulated to be tear-free and hypoallergenic. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. We've excluded sulfates and parabens from our ingredients. It's a clean and safe choice for your family's daily routine. Proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and care in every bottle. Give your kids a naturally clean and fun bath experience. What we like. With its natural, plant-based, and toxin-free formula, this product is ideal for parents concerned about harsh chemicals. If your child has sensitive skin or you prioritize clean ingredients, this is the one to consider. It's a safe and effective choice for everyday use. What people say. The jelly soap is a fun and engaging way for kids to wash their hands, making bath time more enjoyable. It has a unique jelly-like texture that kids find fascinating and helps them develop good hygiene habits. The soap lathers well and rinses off easily, leaving no residue on the skin or in the tub. Number 3. Glimmer Wish Unicorn Kids Body Wash. Introducing Glimmer Wish Unicorn Kids Body Wash, a gentle cleanser designed for your child's delicate skin. It moisturizes while it cleans, leaving their skin soft and smooth. This tear-free formula is sulfate-free, ensuring a safe and enjoyable bath time experience. It's perfect for everyday use, making bath time a breeze. Indulge their senses with the delightful scent of vanilla cotton candy. It adds a touch of sweetness to their daily routine, making them smell as good as they feel. Specifically formulated for kids' skincare needs, it provides essential moisture without stripping natural oils. Keep their skin healthy and happy with every wash. Experience the gentle cleansing power that nurtures and protects. It's the perfect way to keep their skin clean, hydrated, and wonderfully soft after every bath. This generous 12 fluid ounces bottle ensures plenty of magical bath time fun. It's the ideal size for families looking for a high-quality, gentle body wash. What we like. This body wash provides a moisturizing clean with a delightful vanilla cotton candy scent and a fun unicorn theme. If your child loves imaginative play and you want to keep their skin soft, this is a fantastic option. It makes bath time an enchanting adventure. What people say. The jelly soap is a fun and engaging way for kids to wash their hands. It has a unique jelly-like texture that makes bath time more enjoyable. The soap is easy for children to handle and lather up, promoting independence during hygiene routines. Number 2. Relaxation 4 Natural Kids Soap Bars with Sea Animals Toys. Make bath time an adventure with our Natural Kids Soap Bars. Each bar is packed with fun, surprise sea animal toys inside. Crafted with natural ingredients, our soaps are gentle on your child's skin. Perfect for washing hands, face, and body. Every bar holds a delightful surprise. Your little ones will love discovering the hidden sea animal toys. Looking for a unique gift? These soaps come in a charming gift box, ready to delight any child. You can trust the quality. Our natural soaps are proudly made right here in the USA. It's more than just soap, it's a fun experience. They'll love washing up and playing with their new toy friends. What we like? This set comes with natural soap bars and a fun surprise, sea animal toys inside each bar. If you're looking for a way to make handwashing exciting or need a unique gift, this is perfect. It's ideal for encouraging kids to wash their hands and provides a fun bath time surprise. What people say. This jelly soap is great for kids, it's fun to play with and easy to rinse off. The soap has a nice texture and doesn't leave any residue on the skin. It's a good way to make bath time more enjoyable for children. Number 1. Kids Natural Soap Bar Set. Introducing our handmade soap bar set, perfect for your little ones. It's a gentle and natural way to keep them clean. These bars are crafted to moisturize, making them ideal for sensitive skin. They provide a soothing cleanse without irritation. Made in the USA with natural ingredients, you can trust what you're using on your child. It's a pure and simple choice. Designed for both boys and girls, this set is a wonderful addition to bath time. It makes washing up fun and easy. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is a great alternative to liquid body wash and is perfect for kids and toddlers. You'll receive a set of 6 natural soap bars. It's a convenient and eco-friendly option for your family's needs. What we like? This set offers 6 handmade, moisturizing soap bars that are gentle enough for sensitive skin. If you prefer a solid soap alternative to liquid body wash or need a bulk option for frequent use, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for families looking for natural, long-lasting soap. What people say. The jelly soap is a fun and engaging way for kids to wash their hands. It has a unique texture that makes bath time more enjoyable. The soap is easy to rinse off and leaves no residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.